Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to show you how to use a free add-on from Keystroke called the Layout Switcher. Now, right up here in Act is what Act calls their Layout Switcher. It's how you can navigate from layout to layout. If you've customized the layout and saved it, that's how you navigate. If you have a smaller monitor or a high resolution, your space might be limited up on the toolbar, and it might be nice to eliminate that just to free up some space. So the tool, the layout switcher, allows you to do that, and I want to show you how to work with it. The first thing you have to do, you have to make sure you shut Act on your computer. So shut it down. You're going to restart it after. Second, you're going to download the free software from Keystroke, and I'll provide you a link in the blog post that I've created here. Next, once you download that, and it's most likely in your downloads folder, you're going to download that software. And once you do that, you are going to unblock that software. So once you download it, make sure that you unblock it. This is my downloads folder, and here is the download right here. It's called layoutswitcher.actplugin.ell. That is the software. The next step, you're going to click on it, and then you're going to click on the right mouse button. You're going to go down to Properties, and down on the far bottom right, you're going to click on Unblock. Click on Apply, and then OK. Next, you're going to right-click on this and go Copy. The next step is to now navigate to the Plugins folder within Act. And most likely you're going to find the Plugins folder is located right here. And I've made a note of that in the blog post so you can easily navigate to it. Paste this file into this folder, and now you can close this down completely because now you've done that. So now you've copied that, you've unblocked it, you've pasted it in that folder, and now once you do that, you can start up Act now and start it up again. So I didn't close down Act, I had previously done this, but now we get to the next step. First, you're going to go up and click on Tools. Then you're going to go down and observe that the layout switcher is now right here. By clicking on that, now I can switch my layouts right here instead of having to go up to the toolbar. So it's just an alternative way to do it. So that's how you can switch the layout. Then, once you've done that and seen that that works, the next step is to go and customize your toolbar to remove something. You're going to go up to Tools. You're going to go all the way down to Customize, over to Menus and Toolbars. And a little box will pop up called Customize Menus and Toolbars. But this is where it might get a little confusing based on the directions, because what it states is that you can now delete the layout switcher. But this is the way you do this. If you come up here to the layout switcher, which is right up here, and click on it, you'll see it can be selected. In fact, all these items up here can be selected, or most of them I should say. But if you click on this and then right click and go delete, that will delete that and free up that space on the toolbar. Now, in another tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add things to the toolbar so you can have shortcuts to do that. But once you delete this, now you've freed up space, and hopefully that will help you out. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz, and I can be reached for help if you need assistance with this. I hope this is helpful to you. Enjoy the free layout, and contact me if you have any questions. Thank you very much.